This is why you bottle train the parrots. I just gave them a fresh bowl of water and seed. Now they're getting the bowl of water because anytime I give them fresh vegetables, they take a bath in the vegetables. Yeah. So I give them their seed and I give them a fresh bowl of water for them to bathe. Now imagine if they were using their water for drinking. That's why the water bottle. I hope that parrot is enjoying its bath. It's gonna get hot today. After they take a bath, the water is no longer safe for them to drink. I guess they're waiting for their turn. And there goes the exposure. He's done. That's just gonna go for the water, I guess not. Oh well. But that was why I train them to a water bottle for their daily water. This way I give them a bowl of water. They have their way with it. I take it away and they have a clean source of water for the rest of the day. And yes, I do change the water bottles daily.